I don't know why they didn't make this, in fact. Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Got my little racer here today. It's the first wind still day that I can find, and if you're going to download this, I've added some trick little side fairings there for you. I think it just adds a little bit of a funky vibe to it. They just clip on, basically. So they just clip on at the bottom, and so you just print out the little tabs, and this separate, and you put the tabs in. You just squeeze, you just press them over the base plate, and then you line this up, glue it on, and that's stiff enough. Not going to go anywhere. So yeah, just out for a nice little fly. Nothing major. So yep, Atty, 1, 2, 3, and run. Here we go. Nice. Let's check GPS. Lovely. Just a little fun fly today. You can see it's fairly wind still. This is Atty mode, and she'll just hover there nicely. Running a head speed here of 75. I might try 80 actually. Look, you only need 65. But I find it just reacts a little bit quicker, you know. So yeah, 75 and a pitch of 14 in both directions. Always battle in the other direction. This thing really does rocket around the sky. Really rockets around the sky. Let's try some GPS. There we go. Super duper. Rock solid. Look at that, eh? Rock solids. Back to Atty. I'm flying with my little 2200 today. So the all-up weight here is 1250 grams, which is just lovely. Just lovely. Little figure eight. Of course, as I was saying, that the wind is nice and calm, the wind picks up. Let's do a quick speed run. And here we go. Full speed. Wow. Does kind of rocket a little bit. Nice and quiet, actually. Yeah, lekker. Very nice. Little fairing at the bottom, sort of just closes it up a little bit. Yeah, it's quite funky actually, I think. So we do have a new group, by the way. If you haven't already joined, please do so. It's a group by flyers, for flyers, so no politics. We can say what we want. We're not scared we're going to hurt anybody's feelings, you know, so very nice. It's nice relaxing today. Nice and relaxing. Very nice. Little Bell 206 racer. And I don't know why they didn't make this, in fact. Because it really is efficient. It's lightweight. Looks good. Looks good. There's my 8 minutes. 8 minutes. Yeah, looks good. Lightweight. I mean, I think this could be a production heli, eh? What do you guys think? Keen to hear your thoughts on that. Keen to hear your thoughts. In comparison to like the FW450, which obviously has, I believe, a more powerful motor, so it's more 3D capable. But if you're not into 3D and you're not into scale fuselages, then this is an option. But anyway, guys, thanks for joining. So this is my little 2200 still flying. GPS quickly. Still flying after 9.5 minutes. Let's in fact run it flat and see how long it flies. No vibrations, Nothing. There we go. It's coming for a landing. We'll land maybe here. So that was 12 minutes. 12 minutes on a little 2200, which I think is more than good enough. Let's get rid of that. So yeah, the little racer. Happy days.